Okay, hello everyone. Today is day 2 of my self-care adventure. This week, I love everything glass. And today, my focus is the sense of sound. Now, sound is very important for me because I'm a songwriter and also a producer of music. So I want to encourage you, come along with me. Do something every day to make your day a little bit brighter.
Okay, so this JBL. You know JBL is known for their headphones. So this will be the best brand right here.
Okay, all right, so can I try it?
Yes.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you for swapping the game some more.
Thank you.
All right.